Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this super simple, easy and delicious juice recipe using cucumbers and snowball melons. Cucumbers are known for their high water content, so making it an excellent choice for hydration. Let's not forget about melons, which are also packed with water and essential nutrients. So sit back, let's enjoy this recipe together. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Let's get started. And for this recipe, I'm using 3 large cucumbers, 2 lemons, and 1 snowball melon. If you're in the UK, you can get this from Sainsbury's or Tesco's, or it's literally in any convenience store beside you. It's high in water, so it's just perfect for this recipe. I'm just going to go ahead now and prepare all my fruits. So these are all my fruits that I've prepared. As you can see from the name, it's called a snow melon. Look at how white this is. It's absolutely tasty. It's so refreshing and hydrating. It's one of my favorite. I'll pick this anytime over the red and yellow melons. So I'm just going to go ahead now and transfer all this into my juicer and start juicing. If you're new to my channel, you know this is my best juicer ever. It's the Nama JT juicer from Nama Well. This juicer is hand-free, cold press, and it has a 10-year warranty. And I'm going to link this down in the description bar together with my discount code if you want to get one for yourself. I highly recommend it. passing this through a strainer is completely optional. Honestly, there's no point. As you can see, there's nothing. It's smooth and clean. There's absolutely nothing. This juicer is amazing and I highly recommend it. I've linked this down in my description bar below for those looking to get a juicer, and I've also linked the discount code where you can save 10% off at checkout when you use my code. I'll be using these 16-ounce bottles that I got from Amazon. I've linked this down in my Amazon storefront in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out to get one for yourself for those interested. And there we have it, all our juice done. 48 ounces. Look at all that goodness. And you can have your own simple hydration juice in the comfort of your home. This tastes so delicious, highly nutritious, and super easy to make using just 3 simple ingredients. And you can store your fresh juices in your fridge for up to 3 days, but anything above 3 days, be sure to store them in the freezer to preserve the nutrients. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I do hope you will try this recipe at home. Leave a comment in the comment section how you find them. Until next time.